So here we are, so I type train with the AI prot at Proton Mail. Then I click on let me see if I can zoom a little bit. Okay, I press on sign up, and now we have a confirmation email, so be sure to go into your email and copy this confirmation code. You can see that for us it's NV0-1A7. So you can, if you don't want to type it, just copy and paste this code. So you see, select the code, copy, go back to my Grok, and just paste this code here, and automatically you have the confirmation. Now here you can just write your name, surname, in this case it's our company profile, so Train with AI is our first name, and lastly Pro Channel. Here we are. As I say, you just have to type your password, verify that you are not a bot, and once this is done, press on complete sign up. Here we are. Okay, and it's done. Congratulations, now you are a Grok user. You will be taken to your personal dashboard, and here you can customize your profile, manage your search history, and set up your preference. This is something that we will do in the next video.